Hi guys!
Hello everyone, welcome to one of our unboxings with me, Ilda,
And me, Kaylee. And we have a very special unboxing today.
as you can see from the box. But I think a lot of you are actually going to be very surprised of
Yes.
what it's inside the box. It's not your typical Patek.
And this is one that divided a lot of people. It was very Marmite. You either love it or you hate it. I know a lot of people in the office love it, but I also know a few that didn't like it until they saw it, and there's still a few that don't. So it's very personal preference.
There's been a lot of talk, behind this watch.
Exactly, because this got released at Watches and Wonders last year, so 2024. I was there, I got to see it, and I was like, this is very different for Patek, but I thought it was different. I like different watches, so I was a big fan, but I know Spencer was a bit like, don't know if he loves it. But what is the watch that we're talking about, Ilda?
The one that we've got in front of us is actually a 2025 one.
Yes.
It's brand new, it's perfect. But let's have a look. I'm really excited for you guys to have a look and also for your opinions on this.
So, this is the Patek Philippe Nautilus 5980. Denim. It's just, hearing the word denim and Patek, you wouldn't think that they go, but I
denim
really
goes
like
on
it.
everything. Like, everything is about denim. The fashion world right now is all about denim. So, it's quite... It's weird, but it's also almost predictable that they would choose to do something like that because of how fashionable it is at the moment. I think it's quite cool.
I like it. I like the dial.
Let's show everyone more in detail so they can have a look and get a feeling of it. Of course, if you don't see it and touch it, you don't really understand. But this is actually, guys, denim, like the strap.
So it's leather with like a denim look, isn't it?
Really gives you the denim look completely. You'd think that is like from your pair of jeans, really.
Yeah.
But I think...
Expensive pair of jeans, though.
Definitely expensive. I think it's stunning. I want you guys to have a look at the clasp. I think everything goes perfectly. And then let's have a word about the dial.
Yeah, so this is a
opaline
dial.
Opaline, that's how they call it. Yes.
So these are like, I think this is what they call their new dials. That's the name that they call it.
Which is a mix of blue. I can see some grey as well.
Yes.
And that's how they decide to call it opaline, just for this specific colour.
But actually, it's the perfect colour for the perfect strap.
It goes with the strap. It goes with the watch. Obviously, this is a white gold watch.
Yeah.
Stunning. Quite heavy. When you look at the diamond, you'd think, oh, this is going to be like light, but it's actually quite heavy. I want everyone to have a look at the beautiful glass back case,
which I think is Patek's strongest
most recognizable feature.
Is the open case back. And obviously, as we know, Rolex brought it out on the Daytona. I don't see many brands, obviously AP do it, but
pull it off as Patek, basically. When you think of Patek, you think of this.
You do. They do it so effortlessly, and it's honestly, it's just amazing how they do it. I'm just intrigued about if anyone is going to bring out some open case back watches this year at Watches and Wonders. That's I'm wondering.
Something to look out for, definitely. I really love the small detail on the clasp saying Nautilus. I know that they've done it before, but on this particular watch, I just find it perfect. It goes well with everything. Yes.
Obviously, stunning watch, Nautilus. And obviously, they have just discontinued the 5712 and also the Aquanaut, the 5167, which... The 5167, I think I was expecting. The 5712, it's such a popular piece.
That came as a surprise.
Yeah. So I'm wondering, Watches and Wonders is in a few months, what else could be discontinued? What are they bringing out? Are they going to bring out an updated? Who knows,
version,
right?
We don't know. We're excited to find out for sure. I must say, this is one of the coolest Pateks that I've seen in a while. I do find it amazing, but what I really want is for you guys to tell us what you think of it. You love it, you hate it, just say what you think, because we'd love to know that.
Because the office is very split, so we'd be very intrigued to know.
We've been talking about it and deciding who's right and who's not. At the end of the day,
no one's right or wrong, but it's everyone's personal preference. But it's always nice to hear different opinions on why you like it or why you don't like it. Because listen, not every watch is everyone's cup of tea, but it's nice to hear other people's opinions on pieces. Okay, guys, so please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and we'll see you next time.
We'll come back with more unboxings.
Bye.